how to know if a relationship is safe. A really great measuring stick is how quickly after a rupture, after a fight, how quick is this relationship to repair? Because the quickness component is an indicator of someone's emotional maturity, someone's ability to respect you as an individual autonomous person, and someone to really have an understanding of a safe relationship unconsciously will prioritize repair over individual momentary feelings. Why? Because a safe relationship knows that repair is critical.